An all-party meeting convened by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin in Chennai is underway to discuss the contentious issue of delimitation. Stalin has proposed the formation of a joint action committee comprising MPs and representatives from southern states to collectively oppose the move to redraw parliamentary constituencies based on population. The meeting has brought together the DMK, AIA-DMK, Congress, left parties and actor politician Vijay's Tamilaga Vetri Kalagam among others. However, the Tamil Nadu BJP has chosen to stay away, with State President K. Annamalai dismissing the meeting as the funniest and calling concerns over delimitation imaginary. Tamil Nationalist Party, Nam Tamilar Katchi, NTK and former Union Minister G.K. Vasan's Tamil Manila Congress, Moopanar, have also opted out. Stalin strongly opposed population-based delimitation, warning that it could shrink Tamil Nadu's representation in parliament. He highlighted that the state's success in family planning and women's empowerment might lead to a reduction in Lok Sabha seats. If the current 543-seat structure is maintained, Tamil Nadu risks losing 8 seats, bringing its total down from 39 to 32, Stalin pointed out. If the total number of constituencies is increased to 848, Tamil Nadu should ideally gain 22 more seats. However, if delimitation is solely based on population, the state will only get 10 additional seats, effectively losing 12 seats overall. Ahead of the meeting, Stalin had written to political parties urging them to oppose the delimitation exercise, framing it as a fight for Tamil Nadu's financial and administrative rights. The meeting is expected to further deliberate on joint efforts to resist any move that could reduce the state's representation in parliament.